What's going on, guys? Mixed here, back again for another state cocktail. This is state number 3, Alaska. So we're going to do the state drink of Alaska. Can you guess what it is? Because if you know Alaskan drinks, this one is the duck fart. Because it's a very peculiar name. It's very fascinating. But it's one I must show you. Because it's a shot version, so this is the national drink, the duck fart. So to make a duck fart, it's 3 combinations. Quite easy to make. It's a later recipe shot. So you got the Baileys, you got the Kahlua, and of course you got the whiskey. So the one that I can find closest to it is probably the Crown Royals. It's Canadian whiskey. So that stays true more to the recipe. But the question you want to know is, how does it get such a peculiar name? Because the story goes like this for this one. It's said to originated from a bar in Alaska. It's going to say between 2 bartenders, a man and a woman, where there's experimenting with drinks. And eventually they came up with this one, and it gets its name. As the woman was trying this shot, their own creation, and of course, you can guess what happened. Because when she downed the shot, she farted, and that's where they came up with the name, the duck fart. And that is where it gets its name from, the duck fart shot, and it's stuck ever since, and it's quite popular in Alaska, I hear. So that is the simple history of Alaska. Now it's stuck as the national state drink. So this is state number 3, Alaska, the duck fart shot. So let's get straight into it, or shoot it, I should say. So to make a duck fart, what you want to do now is put in the Kahlua to sit at the bottom. So the first thing is the Kahlua. Now here is the best part that sets apart bartenders, so the layering. So remember, when you're layering a drink, pour it in very slowly. So next is the Baileys, again 1/3. The final thing to do now is layer on the whiskey. So again, remember as always, do a slow pour. And there we go, 1 duck fart. How does it taste? Cheers, Alaska. It's one of those, it's very sweet. It's got to say very deceiving, a deceiving shot, one thing also. But it's quite a little bit heavy, it's because, especially with the Kahlua and the Baileys, because it's a little bit of a heavy shot as well. Nice, but heavy. I'd probably rate that a solid 7 out of 10. But that, my friends, is the duck fart shooter. It's because they're the national drink of Alaska. But if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more state cocktails like this, as we will be continuing on with the series onto state number 4, as we will be travelling to Texas, as we'll be doing the Paloma. And then from Texas, we'll be going to Oklahoma for state cocktail number 5. As I will see you guys then, but happy Easter, everyone. Cheers.